This winter storm is all about having a plan. You want to make sure that your family has a plan for an emergency. So let's just jump right in there and talk about important phone calls or phone numbers that your family needs to have. Write down those phone numbers just in case your phone may die and that portable charger isn't working. Make sure the whole entire family knows where those important numbers are in the house. Make a plan for where to go just in case if there is a fire or just in case if there is an emergency. Another thing you want to make sure that you keep in mind is to designate a family member or a person who is out of town as a contact. So just in case if people do get split up, they can contact that person and then everybody can come back together. While we're moving on for a moment, when it comes to this storm, you also want to make sure that you check or install all new smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Make sure that you have a working fire extinguisher. Make sure it's up to date. Another thing, if the power does go out due to the storm, make sure you unplug any appliance or electronics that in this way it can avoid a power surge when the power is restored. Also, keep those freezers and refrigerators closed. I know it's hard to do, but it's important just to keep that food safe so it doesn't spoil. Also, most importantly, we hear this all the time for first responders. Do not heat your home with gas stove or an oven. It's unsafe. Make sure you have plenty blankets and just to stay warm. So coming up later in the next half hour, we're going to talk about several items that it's a must have and a need for you to have in order to stay safe.